Hi, I'm Susanna Tamkins. I work at the University of Miami Bascom Eye Institute. I have two titles. I am a pediatric optometrist and a research vision scientist. My enthusiasm for contact lenses started at the very beginning. I was a contact lens wearer, like many, at age 15. I come from a family of myopes where myself and my four sisters all were above -5. Every day, every week, I fit infants who are coming out of surgery, who've had cataract surgery, and need contact lenses to see. Those contact lenses change their lives. It's incredibly rewarding. It feeds my soul. Myopia management has taken over the last leg of my career. I did not expect this. It is an incredible task to try and treat 50% of Americans' children for myopia. This is not something that I do alone. This is a movement among the optometrists to get this, and the ophthalmologists to get this under control. I think that it's necessary for every practice to find a place for pediatric contact lenses in their practice to meet the needs of our patients, to fit these children. Just because they're small people does not mean they don't deserve the same standard of care. They are much easier to fit than my adults. They are adaptive, flexible, and motivated.